He's getting up, but there's danger in front of him.
Springboard clothesline. Oh. Big clothesline. Returning to the ring now. Drop kick. What a cross body. Oh, man.
As easy as it may seem to come into a no DQ match with no plan other than to get violent, strategy can play a role in this. Now's the time for a superstar to get inventive, to get creative when it comes to inflicting damage on their opponents.
Oh, no! Did you hear the thud? Rey Mysterio is in some serious trouble. And Mysterio needs to fight back. Mysterio counters quickly. Mysterio is going to look to press on the advantage.
The U-turn Mysterio needed in this match. Could have been that right there.
Face buster!
Oh, round and round we go. Tilt-a-whirl head scissors.
And he's able to reverse.
Pile driver. And you don't just do something like that to win a match. You do that to inflict punishment.
He's back on his feet.
And ready to keep going, it looks like.
Oh, boy, to the announce table now. Oh, yeah, gonna clean it off here. This is gonna be dangerous.
We knew this superstar had a mean streak. We didn't realize that they were downright ruthless. He's heading back to the ring. Smacking him around like su madre. And his eyes are piercing through the opposition now.
Oh, saw it coming. Kick right on point. Boom. Oh, man, he is fired up now. Oh, La Choppa. Big impact from a tiny weapon. The springboard attack fails to land. Oh, man, inverted backbreaker. Ow. He's in a little bit of trouble now. Yeah, but all that matters is being able to stay on your feet. You've got to wonder if Rey can withstand this. But Mysterio, hold on a second. He might be finding a submission hold here. An uncanny showing of power.
Well, this isn't...
A couple of knees there. That'll get him out of it. Oh, costly error there. Oh, what a kick. Mysterio defenseless here.
Oh, merciless knee to the face.
Can that keep Rey down? Stop gloating and put your attention back to the match. Count still climbing. We're up to 7 now. And this count will stop.
This is either grit, insanity, or a little bit of both.
Rey just can't stop this attack.
Rey's got to find a way to defend himself.
Catches the clothesline.
Reversal after reversal. These two are ready for each other.
And he sends him into the corner. Gets him in position. This is Mysterio on the top rope.
Avalanche Bulldog.
And this is classic Mysterio, putting on a bigger fight than his stature would indicate. Return fire on Rey. Letting his opponent know he can take on the world right now. Oh, come on, really? It looks like they're not done inflicting punishment. Referee has to break the 10 count now. Oh, my God. Springboard moonsault. Wow. Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up. position to be in right now. Oh, my. Sent flying.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Oh, look at his aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy. Oh. Rey Mysterio is in some serious trouble.
Mysterio's fairy tale's looking dark. He wants it one more time.
That's gonna hurt. Mysterio felt that, and I think he's done. These men have been all gas and no brakes tonight, and they have to be feeling the effects.
Well, they have to be running on fumes. I don't know how much longer they can go.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side. Oh, man, the referee just counted to 7.
Guess he didn't think that was enough.
Striking while his opponent is still vulnerable. He is having his way in this one.
Oh, look out. It's on now. Oh. Back and forth. Neither one giving up any ground.
Neither competitor is backing down. Two titans trading strikes and refusing to back down. Bam!
Toe-to-toe, treating each other like heavy bags.
Boom! Exhaustion setting in, and neither one of them is letting up. Oh, what a high kick. He's going back to the well. Nasty knee.
That's got to end it this time around.
He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him. Stop gloating and put your attention back to the match. He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him. And that will do it. Not getting up from that one, so it's called.
Here is your winner, CM Punk.
This is the type of victory where you really have to weigh the cost.